Hey guys, I'm so glad you're here today because we're about to uncover something that could make a huge difference in your emergency preparedness journey. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn everyday shopping trips into opportunities to get prepared, stay safe, and save money. Today, we're diving deep into prepping for emergencies, without breaking the bank or spending hours searching for specialty stores or expensive gear. You don't need to be a survival expert or have a huge budget to get started. Believe it or not, everything you need to start your prepping journey is hiding in plain sight at your local Home Depot. That's right. This big orange store isn't just for home improvement projects. It's a goldmine for practical, affordable survival supplies. In this video, I'll walk you through 15 essential survival items you can grab right now, all in one trip. From water storage to emergency lighting, we'll cover the basics and a few clever extras you might not have thought of. We'll break down what each item does, how much it really costs, and I'll even share a simple 90-day buying plan so you can build your supplies gradually. No stress, no overwhelm. If you want to be ready for anything, whether it's a power outage, natural disaster, or just unexpected bumps in the road, stick around. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more smart prepping tips, tricks, and real-life advice to keep you and your family safe. When it comes to preparing for emergencies, nothing is more fundamental than having a reliable way to store water. Water is absolutely essential for survival, and in a crisis, access to clean water can quickly become limited or even non-existent. That's why water storage should be the very first thing you tackle in your emergency plan. One of the best solutions out there is the classic 5-gallon orange bucket from Home Depot. These buckets are not only affordable, but they're also made from food-grade plastic, which means they're safe for storing drinking water. Their sturdy construction makes them durable enough to withstand years of use, whether you're storing them in a garage, basement, or even outside in a shed. According to FEMA, you should plan for at least 1 gallon of water per person per day, and ideally, you want a 2-week supply on hand. That adds up quickly, but these buckets make it manageable. You can fill them up gradually, labeling each with the date, so you know when it's time to rotate your supply. Having a clear system helps ensure your water stays fresh and safe to drink. 5-gallon buckets are incredibly versatile. They're designed to be stackable, which saves precious space in your storage area. The built-in handles make them easy to carry, even when full. And when you're not using them for water, they can double as seats, makeshift tables, or storage for dry goods like rice, beans, or pet food. Their usefulness goes far beyond just water storage. Don't forget to pick up tight-fitting lids for your buckets. A good lid creates a leak-proof seal, keeping your water clean and preventing spills. It's a small investment that pays off in peace of mind, especially if you need to move your buckets or store them for long periods. You don't have to buy your entire supply at once. Start by picking up a couple of buckets each time you visit the store. This way, you can gradually build up your emergency water reserve without straining your budget. Over time, you'll be surprised how quickly your supply grows. When it comes to prepping, water is your easiest and most important win. With just a few buckets, you can take a huge step toward keeping your family safe and comfortable in any emergency. Start your preparedness journey here, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Stored water is great, but what if you run out or it gets contaminated? Home Depot carries water purification tablets and portable filters. Small, inexpensive, and crucial for safe hydration. Tablets are lightweight with a long shelf life. Filters remove bacteria and parasites. Learn to use them now. Clean water is everything in a crisis. Don't skip this step. A good tarp is a prepper's best friend. Heavy-duty tarps from Home Depot can become emergency shelters, rain catchers, ground covers, or even stretchers. They're reusable, pack down small, and come in different sizes. Contractor-grade tarps last much longer than bargain versions. Spend a little extra for durability. You'll use them for emergencies and everyday projects. When it comes to versatile survival gear, contractor-grade trash bags are truly the Swiss Army knife of supplies. These aren't your average kitchen bags. They're built to withstand the toughest conditions and can be a real lifesaver in emergencies. Their thick, heavy-duty plastic makes them incredibly tough and resistant to tears or punctures. Whether you need to waterproof your gear, improvise an emergency poncho during a sudden downpour, or protect your backpack from the elements, these bags have you covered. They're also perfect for lining a bucket to create a makeshift toilet or sanitation station, which is crucial for hygiene in the field or during a disaster. Use them to collect and store rainwater for drinking or washing. Keep your spare clothes dry or bundle up debris and waste to keep your campsite clean and organized. Their uses are almost endless. Because they're lightweight and compact when folded, you can stash several in every emergency kit, bug-out bag, or even your car's glove compartment without taking up much space. Don't make the mistake of relying on flimsy regular trash bags. They just can't handle the demands of real-world emergencies. Contractor-grade bags are designed for strength and reliability. When the unexpected happens, you'll be grateful you packed these rugged, multi-purpose bags. They're a simple addition that can make a huge difference in your preparedness. Losing power can turn a small emergency into a crisis. Home Depot stocks battery generators and power banks, from phone chargers to units that run small appliances. Many recharge with solar panels, perfect for off-grid situations. Keep your phone, lights, or medical gear running when it matters. Quality backup power is a smart prepping move. Good lighting is essential in an emergency. Home Depot's LED lanterns and flashlights are bright, energy efficient, and long-lasting. Grab headlamps, lanterns, and mini flashlights for every kit. Stock up on batteries or choose rechargeable options for peace of mind. Duct tape is legendary for a reason. Contractor-grade rolls patch leaks, repair gear, reinforce shelters, and even make emergency bandages. Waterproof and flexible, it's a must-have for every kit. Keep a roll in your car, home, and go bag. You'll use it more than you think. Every kit needs a solid multi-tool or utility knife. Home Depot's selection covers everything: cutting, tightening, opening cans, and more. Stainless steel models with pliers, blades, and screwdrivers are best. Practice using your tool before you need it. It's an everyday essential, not just for emergencies. A trauma-grade first aid kit is a must. Home Depot stocks kits with bandages, gauze, tourniquets, and emergency blankets. Make sure yours includes gloves, antiseptic, scissors, and a CPR mask. Personalize with your family's medications. Learn how to use each item. Being prepared saves lives. Don't overlook a fire extinguisher. It could save your home or life. Home Depot carries ABC models for wood electrical and grease fires. Check the pressure gauge regularly and teach everyone how to use it. Keep one in your car, too. Fire safety is non-negotiable. When the power's out, a way to cook is a game changer. Home Depot has compact propane stoves and portable cooking gear for indoors or out. Look for built-in ignition and adjustable heat. Don't forget extra fuel canisters. Hot meals boost morale and keep your family healthy. Emergencies are messy. Protect yourself. Home Depot stocks N95 masks and heavy-duty work gloves for dust, debris, and germs. Masks protect your lungs, gloves shield your hands. Keep a few pairs in your kit. Safety gear isn't just for disasters, it's for everyday projects too. Rope or paracord is a survival must-have. Home Depot sells spools in all thicknesses for shelter, hauling, or tying down tarps. Paracord is lightweight and incredibly strong. Unravel for fishing line or emergency repairs. Practice your knots ahead of time. Don't underestimate the basics. Staying warm is Survival 101. Home Depot stocks compact emergency blankets and contractor-grade sleeping bags. Blankets reflect body heat. Sleeping bags add protection and are often water-resistant. Keep extras in your kit and car. Staying dry and warm is key in any emergency. Organization is your secret weapon. Home Depot's heavy-duty totes protect supplies from dust, moisture, and pests. Label bins by category for quick access. Stackable designs save space and make evacuation easier. A little organization now saves stress later. That's 15 must-have survival items, all at Home Depot. Build your kit with contractor-grade, budget-friendly supplies. Use the 90-day buying plan. Pick up a few items each week. What would you add to this list? Drop your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more prepping tips, and see you next time.